doon ka, brother, will play the piano.
Yung just the way you are.
Kuya, pwede mo?
Just the way you are.
Kuya? Tapos ito sila lang.
Pakilapit natin yung piano, Benji. Tugtog yata yung kapatid niya sa piano.
Ako. Malakas ko yun.
When are you going home?
Oh, enjoy your vacation. Can you take photos? Kasi wala ka.
I'll take your picture so that you can show your dog.
Lalagay ko na natin lapit. Paano mo? Papabay. Yung piano, kung naman kayo, talagang
Okay, thank you very much.
ayan, full short.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and again, thanks to you guys, as well as just the way you are. And I rather you see this piano over there. Thank you.
is a Filipina. Her parents are here. She and Benny, they're all from the Philippines, but Maria was born in Winnipeg, Canada, and it's her first time to be here. She's so glad to be here in the Philippines.
I want to say thank you for support. I want to say that because of you, Philippines is a beautiful place, and everybody here has been so welcoming to me. And just thank you, and you're making the country such a beautiful place, and I'm really proud to be Filipino. Thank you.
And there's a lot of poems that come from Maria. Her brother, Jay. So usually focus on the work like that.
Thank you, everybody. I hope that you're having a great meal, and God bless. Thank you for having me here. And just to promote some of my shows here, I actually came here to record an album under Star Records. It's self-titled, called Maria Aragon. You can get it in stores by next week. So stay tuned for that. Thank you. I'll be having some mall shows, and I might have a concert in September. So watch out for that as well. And I'm going to be doing something called the Global ANCOP. It's a walk that helps children go to school, so it gives scholarships to poor children who can't go to school. So watch out for all of my events, and thank you for having me here. And thank you, Vice President.